Welcome to Ella Kids TV. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Today we are learning the 100 animals and their sounds, part 1. A dog barks. Lark sings. Lion roar. Guinea pig squeak and weep. Ape grunts and barks. Hippopotamus grunts, squeaks, croaks, and whines. Giraffe hum. Cat meow. Dove coo. Hare squeak. Monkey chatter and gibber. Camel grunt. Ant cry. Armadillo grunt. Donkey bray. Snail squawk. Swallow chirp, a whine, and a gurgle. Turkey gobbles. Woodpecker shrill, hoarse, and chirp. Wren churs, chatters, rattles, and scolds.